I don't know if you've seen any of my videos, but I use GoPro cameras all the time. I probably had 6. I probably lost 3 as well. Yeah, I'm pretty good at losing them. So I just bought this GoPro Hero 5 Session. Great little video, fantastic camera, but the audio is terrible. If you want to use it for audio, it's absolutely awful. Its own microphone's not very good. I've even tried to put this little bit of foam on the back to quieten it down, but it's pretty bad. So I bought this adapter. Well, you've never seen nothing like it. It's huge. It's bigger than the bloody camera. So yeah, if you just like quiet walkabout audio, but if you want to use it on a motorcycle or at speed or in the wind, it's not very good. I tried getting the old 4 camera. I got one off eBay, refurbished, or so it said. I think it was a Chinese copy, so I sent that back. And the 4 Session doesn't support a microphone. So here's the adapter in situation with the camera, the adapter, and then there's a plate full of spaghetti at the back there, wires leading down into a microphone in the helmet. But what a palaver. It's ridiculous. I've tried it without the adapter, and the built-in sound is absolutely awful. So GoPro have definitely got it wrong with the Hero 5 Session. I think they know that. You know, the adapter, that's 50 quid or getting that way. Also, they've dropped the price right down now by 60 quid. So that's telling you something, isn't it? You're better off with the old ones. Spending all that money on the new ones, you know, if you're like me and you lose them on a regular basis. I've now tie wrapped the adapter and everything under my peak, Java style. I don't want to have to move that around a lot. Like for instance, if I want to put it down here, I've got to move the bloody adapter as well. If I want to put it on another bike, I've got to move the adapter again. So I'm going to leave the adapter tie wrapped under this peak. 30 miles an hour, should be really clear. Dead centre of Wickenbrook there, look, graveyard. Not a pigeon. I tried it all yesterday with just a GoPro Session up on my peak of my helmet here, and the wind noise was colossal. Today we got the added bonus of water, so I expect the lens will be covered with water before long, but we'll give it a go, see how it goes. It's not that cold actually. What is the temperature? 6 degrees. Yeah, it's a heat wave really for this time of year. My Dawlish cruise control. Another 20p product. Whichever way he is going, I'm going to go the opposite. So I should be kind of heading into the wind now. I think it's an easterly wind, not very strong yet. It's supposed to be quite strong. So we're kicking on a bit now, a bit of wind noise. I've raised my voice a little bit. I don't know whether I need to. We'll do a U-turn up here. One coming in the distance. Mick. Well, we'll take the footage in and have a look, see whether I'm going to put this bloody adapter on eBay or not. So don't get me wrong, GoPros, fantastic cameras. But the Session 5, don't get one if you need to use an external microphone. Just get one of the older ones, a 4 or something like that. Okay, the verdict, I think the audio was not too bad on that last test. It's only a cheap microphone, one I got off eBay, about 15 quid, and it's just pressed inside my helmet, somewhere around about my neck and cheek level, so I don't get all the huffing and puffing when I'm riding off-road. So yeah, I'm going to keep the adapter and just use it in that helmet. And that's just tucked in somewhere near my cheek on my helmet. No, that don't sound good, does it?